Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Following on from my last video, BeautyBigBang very kindly sent me 5 stamping plates to review. And in this video I'll be swatching the final 2. So I'll be swatching and reviewing BeautyBigBang XL-068 and XL-069. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below, along with my discount code for you to use as well. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips, which I'll be taking 3 swatches from each plate, and I'll be starting with XL-068. For the first swatch I'll be using a lilac coloured nail tip along with a metallic purple stamping polish. Now if you've been with me for a while, you'll know my love for butterflies and for them being purple as well. This is such a beautiful design, so pretty. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. Once I've picked up this small butterfly, I will remove any excess that I've picked up before stamping down. I use a lint roller, but other items like a scraper can also be used. But this is a very pretty image and there's enough room to colour it all in as well. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a metallic pink stamping polish. Now when I use this floral area in the photo swatches, I did slightly turn the plate, and when I went to stamp the image down, because I swatched quite a large area, I could pick which area I wanted onto the nail tip. But such a pretty image, and I love the pink and white colour combo. Moving on to XL-069, and for the first swatch I'll be using a pink coloured nail tip along with a dark purple stamping polish. Now with this image, once it's laid down, I didn't work as quickly as I should. The polish was drying super quick, so it didn't transfer the best. I wanted to do this image as the photo swatch is slightly harder to see because of the colours that I have used, but it's still a pretty image though. For the next swatch I'll be using a peachy orange coloured nail tip along with a red stamping polish. A frilly image like this will work great just on the free edge or just on the side or coming down from the cuticle area. Whichever way it's placed, it's going to look very pretty, and I love the peachy orange and red colour combo. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green nail tip along with a teal green stamping polish. Again, I'll just remove the excess. Also, this is another image which will look great either at the top by the cuticle area or sitting on the free edge. You could also fill it in with some colour as well to really make it pop. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these BeautyBigBang stamping plates. BeautyBigBang XL-068 is just full of amazing butterfly designs along with some floral images at the top. There is 7 very large images along the bottom, as well as 15 smaller butterflies in the middle. From the floral images at the top sides, I've taken 2 swatches from each of these. This is definitely my type of stamping plate with my love of butterflies. Each image has a beautiful amount of detail, just like the first 3. XL-068 was very engraved, but you'll see from the swatches that they have really come out well. As I said, I did turn the plate for the floral areas just so I could get a better angle on the images. Now I've said with plates that have mixed size images, you can create a mani using all the large images. There is definitely quite a few I want to use, but then you could create a mani just using the small ones. There is again quite a few that I want to use, and you could fill them in with colour to bring them to life. With the mani I've created, I've used a mix of both. I know that I'll be returning over and over with XL-068, and with my love of butterflies, I'm so excited to see what else I can create. XL-068 will be very popular, and if you love butterflies like I do, then this is definitely a stamping plate for you. Again, another brilliant quality stamping plate from Beauty Big Bang. For the mani, I took inspiration from the white and pink nail tip from the video section. So I've used a white gel polish as my base along with the metallic pink stamping polish. I've used a mix of large butterfly images along with the floral and small butterflies as well. I adore this mani. It is so beautiful. It's definitely a spring mani. I would definitely 100% wear this. Beauty Big Bang XL-069 is full of stunning lace inspired images. There is 13 very long images along with 12 slightly smaller images along the bottom. This style of plate is becoming more and more popular on stamping plates. I already have a few from other brands and they can really make some very pretty manis. I really like them. They just add something different. Now the black and rose gold one didn't really show up on photo as I had hoped, so I'm a little disappointed with that one. I have also placed them all down the centre of the nail pop stick, but they can be placed anywhere and in any direction. I've also placed the smaller ones in the centre of the nail just so that you can see the whole image. I personally love lace images. They are probably one of my favourites to use. Now a trick with the long lined images like these is to swatch the whole image, and if you have small enough nails you can use the whole image over a couple of nails. I've done this before and it works really well. But some very pretty images, which again, they all have a lot of detail in them. These 5 stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang have been brilliant to work with. Very easy, well engraved and very affordable. I'll leave the link to the first 3 stamping plate swatch video in the description box below so that you can go and have a view of that. And I know that I'll be returning to all 5 of these in the near future. For the mani, I did something a little different. I went with a lilac coloured gel polish, the thumb, middle and ring finger. I've added some stamping using one of the long line images. On the index and pinky I've added 2 different foils, a very deep Cadbury purple and a hollow silver. I've recently really just got back into using foils again and I absolutely love how this has turned out. I really want this on my nails now. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these Beauty Big Bang stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!